Ever wondered what would happen if the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man teamed up with the Man of Steel? It's a question comic fans have asked for decades. Um, Now, after the success of previous crossovers, Marvel and DC Comics are making that dream a reality. Uh, and uh, Get ready for a epic collision of universes. Following the buzz around the Batman Deadpool crossover, the publishers are raising the stakes. Two new one-shot issues are on the way. Each publisher will release its own version, bringing their unique spin to the story. The DC issue arrives in March, with Marvel's following in April. Um, the main story hitting shelves on April 15th, 2026, is penned by Brad Meltzer with artwork by Pepe Larraz. But it's not just one tale. Expect a collection of stories featuring heroes and villains from both universes. It's a celebration of 50 years of shared comic history. Um, the core plot throws Spider-Man and Superman against Lex Luthor and Norman Osborn, the Green Goblin. It's a battle of intellect and brute force. Their greatest weaknesses will be exploited, forcing them to rely on each other like never before. Beyond the main event, expect some fascinating pairings. Spider-Man Noir will join forces with the Golden Age Superman in a 1930s adventure. A family affair will see the Superman and Spider-Man clans team up against Mysterio. There's also a symbiote invasion led by Jane Foster as Thor and Wonder Woman. And it doesn't stop there. Gwen Stacy and Lana Lang will share a story while Miles Morales gets to interact with Superman. The creative teams are stacked with industry legends, promising a visual feast for fans. Brad Meltzer shared his excitement, saying he's waited 50 years to write this book. He emphasized the impact these heroes had on him personally and how the story explores what it truly means to be good. Marvel's CV Cebulski added that everyone at Marvel is thrilled to collaborate with DC again. He highlighted the celebration of the 50th anniversary of these iconic heroes and the accessible stories that the talent are creating. And the cover art is a showcase in itself, featuring work from some of the most acclaimed artists in the industry. Fans can collect variants from Mark Bagley, Greg Capullo, and many more. So will Spider-Man's wit and agility be enough to complement Superman's raw power? It's a question that will be answered soon. And remember, why did Superman break up with Spider-Man? He said their relationship had no web appeal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,